Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI. Are you looking for blackout shades that look clean, modern, and super easy to use? Let me show you my new ZSHINE Motorized Blackout blinds. These are fully motorized blackout roller shades and they genuinely give the room a sleek hotel style look. The fabric is smooth, minimal, and the motor is super quiet. When they are down, the room gets really dark. There's a tiny bit of light on the sides, but that's totally normal for roller shades. But honestly, it still blocks out like 95% and makes the room feel super cozy. They come with a wireless remote so you can open or close them with one click. No cords, nothing hanging, just clean and simple. I love that the box includes a QR code for the instructions. The installation took my husband only a few minutes. Bracket, snap it in the shades, and done. Even if you've never installed blinds before, this is definitely beginner friendly. They're also rechargeable, so you don't need to deal with wiring. Just charge them for a few months and you are good. So if you want blackout blinds that look high end without the high end price, these Seashine blinds are definitely worth it. And honestly, one of my favorite upgrades. And that's just my point of view.